as you heard and seen, the universe boss and now former Jamaica Tallawah, Gayle, is hopping mad at the management of the Tallawahs with the way they went about not retaining him. Crumb's boss get upset till the thing reach all race and color.
Y'all take black people for fool. You take your own for a fool. You know? You're always trying to deprive your own black people. Jeff Miller. Always trying to deprive your own black people. You would have never done that with anyone else.
All right, Universe Boss. All right. We know you're vexed, and probably some more respect could have been shown. But it is obvious and understandable that the owners and management of the Tallawahs vexed too. After the embarrassing performance of the Tallawahs last season, and you can't go around that. And as much as you're a legend of the T20 format of the game, if the bosses of the franchise feel that Gayle is causing the problem in the team, you know it go. This one is not racism, my boss. Whether you're white or yellow or black, them going to tell you, say, no man no bigger than the team. We know you feel hurt and disrespected, but these are the kind of liberty that people take with you when you overstay your time in their business. Yours truly, the mafia, you're not overstay.